Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine. Today, we are going to make Jamaican fruit punch. I've gotten so many requests for my Jamaican fruit punch, so we're going to make it with the items that we have here in the States. So, first thing, we use a base, which is fruit punch. So, that's our first base. However, this is a West Indian fruit punch, and so it's difficult to get sometimes, but I found out that Goya has a tropical fruit punch and you could use this as your base instead. So if you can't find the Jamaican fruit punch in the can, you can use the Goya one. So for this base, put about half of passion fruit. This Welch's passion fruit juice is pretty good. So about half. Half of white Welch's grape juice. This is the big bottle though. 96 ounces. So, white Welch's. Pineapple juice. Dole pineapple juice, please. And we need about half a can. I'm going to give the exact measurements on my website. Mango pulp from Goya. So we need about half of the bottle. Okay. And Goya. How can we, not Goya, I'm sorry, guava. Getting mixed up with my words here. So again, half of the guava. Well, guess what? Our Jamaican fruit punch is ready. So that's it. It's that simple. So I have to taste to make sure that I have it right. It's really good. Normally I put this is a gallon. We made a gallon here. And normally I put this in a Tupperware gallon and I freeze it. And when I'm ready for my party, I sit it out so it's nice and chunky, nice and cold. Absolutely perfect. And for the adults, for those of you that really want to make it the Jamaican way, you put Ray and Nephew rum and you hook it up, spice it up, whatever you want to call it. But that would be how you'd get your adult Jamaican fruit punch going. But for you youngsters underage, you make it this way, enjoy it with ice. You can drop a lemon slice or two, and that's it. Jamaican fruit punch. Thank you for visiting Shelly's Cuisine today. Thank you for making Jamaican fruit punch with us. Please drop in on our website, www.shellyscuisine.com, and please hit the notification button and subscribe. Please tune in next week to find out what we will twist next.